So this is the central. This right here. This is the central sulcus.
Okay.
Okay. The sulcus is a divot, crease, right? That divides the frontal from the parietal lobe. Okay. If you're on the frontal side of that, the first gyrus, which is what's shown in orange here, this is called the precentral gyrus.
Okay.
Okay, that's your motor cortex, right? Essentially is your motor function area. You see, those are all the motor activities and where they are. Okay, so that's to the front of, it's facing the front of the central sulcus. Behind the central sulcus, this is the post-central gyrus.
Right.
Okay, and that's where all your sensory information is going to be. And that's the beginning of the parietal lobe. Right. So that's your main divide right there. Now, you have a few that are coming down here that are more difficult, and I forget which ones I told you. The list, right? But in terms of the lobes, the different lobes of the
There's one parietal occipital sulcus.
right.
That one is obvious, and then there's
Yeah, the parieto-occipital sulcus goes along this ridge here. Okay, that's what's separating the back of the skull, right, from the rest of this. Central sulcus, by the way, and that's what's cutting across here.
Okay.
Okay. The transverse fissure is this,
Oh, okay.
which slices the brain in half. We talked about those. Corpus callosum is the connection between the brain. That's the structure right here. That's this white ridge structure.
Isn't
That-
that the transverse fissure is the down one here, temporal and then down?
I'm sorry, which one are you talking about?
Transverse fissure. This is long.
yeah. You're talking about transverse
Yeah.
cerebral
hmm
fission.
Transverse fissure
Fissure.
is the divide in the
So
middle.
it's not the longitudinal?
No, there's two of them. The transverse fissure, and then there's cerebral transverse fissure.
Yeah, but they're not both on the list.
Okay, they're not on.
Okay. Let's see, going down here. So that's corpus callosum. Lateral ventricles are these big cavities. They're sitting. That's what I get. All right, the big cavity.
Yeah.
You have one on each side. Those are the lateral ventricles.
Win a better brain?
Well, this one's got everything color coded, so it's probably the easiest to see stuff.
Oh,
but
okay.
just gotta put it back together because a lot of these are inside. The fornix is this ridge.
The yellow or the orange?
It's
Okay.
yellowish orange. Thalamus is what's sitting right here. That's what's labeled relay sensory info to cortex. So your thalamus sits right here. Third ventricle is what's sitting back here. So space.
And that's a really hard one. I see that.
Third ventricle is what's sitting in this cavity, the space back here. And then the fourth ventricle is what's right here. That's the fourth ventricle. Let me show you. I don't think I showed you that one
okay.
when we were going through it in
Okay, so that's the fourth, and you said just the third?
third sits right back here. Choroid plexus. Let's see. Trying to remember. This one's not a great one.
Isn't the forward plexus like by the cerebellum? Like somewhere here or something? There's two.
Yeah. Well, this is the arbor vitae. That's that tree thing sitting inside of the structure. And then of course that's all the cerebellum. Pineal gland sitting back here. Pineal gland's gonna be sitting back here, I think. It's off the backside.
The thalamus, right?
Yeah, it's off the backside of thalamus. It's hard because I'm sitting back here. It's the structure.
The light purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we orient it, yeah, it's sitting, it's just, I think it's what 54 is labeled here, is the pineal gland, so that's the
Okay.
back end. Pons is sitting here. Okay, it's right above the bump. The bump is the medulla oblongata, spinal cord going down.
Is it pronounced medulla oblongata? Some people.
It's
say medulla. I know,
medulla.
I've heard it both ways.
I've always been told medulla.
What about the midbrain?
Midbrain is right here. This region right here.
And then this is the hypothalamus.
The hypothalamus is what's sitting. It's this structure sitting down here in the end, and that's what's hanging off. What's hanging off there is the pituitary. The midbrain's. Let me sit literally in the midbrain. It's gonna be right in here. It's gonna combination of where this comes up meets, not the pons, but just above the pons. This all those structures meet in this area. Brain. Let's see here. Mammillary body. That little bump right there, 69.
Oh, it's not that. Okay.
Okay, remind me, what was the choroid plexus?
Right here. Choroid plexus is down here.
Oh, it's the surface, this part right here that's facing the fourth ventricle.
And is it at the top of the, also at the top of the thalamus?
Yeah,
It's just like
it's a
group of
connection.
cells or something?
I think it's what it is. It's the path. It's a canal that's connecting the different ventricles. It's part of that
Okay.
structure. Olfactory bulb. It's sitting. It's not on this one. Yeah, there it is. Sorry, number 1. It's the olfactory bulb.
For smell?
Yeah. Okay. Optic chiasma. It's the cross. So what's labeled as 2 is you see how if I hold it like that, see how there's a cross?
So these two things right here.
Yeah, they cross over. You get an X right there. You hold it together. That's the optic chiasma. Those are the optic nerves.
Which one?
Where?
Each of these cross.
Oh, this here?
See how what's labeled as Roman numeral 2?
Okay.
Those cross over.
Okay, that's optic chiasma.
Yeah.
So is the end of it the nose?
That bulb.
This bulb is the pituitary.
What's this right here?
Sorry?
This?
That is the optic
of it?
nerve.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
It's the optic nerve. And those will go to the eyes, as you guys saw with the sheep eyes.
Okay. So where's that little bulb? The optic chiasma. We don't have that on there.
No, you do. It's the cross. The optic chiasma is the cross. You're just seeing, because you have a cross section, you turn
It's on page,
right there. See, there's a cross.
Okay.
If I hold it like this, and
Oh, right
if
there.
I can put this thing back together.
Oh, okay.
The whole thing is the optic nerve.
Yeah.
this one's probably a better picture. It's these two right here.
What are we looking for? This is the.
Just the chiasma.
It's gonna be a YouTube video, y'all.
I was about to say, I will leave my number so you can send that to me.
Yeah, this is a YouTube video right
The
here.
whole thing is.
Cerebral active.
It's done. It's over with. That's this canal that you see going up. Yeah.
And then that's the plexus, the choroid.
The plexus is this tissue that's facing this.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's the ventricle, that cavity.
The fourth.
Fourth ventricle. Yep.
Cool. Thank you.